Hey there! Thanks for grabbing the Healthier Home Clean Walls Bundle. Before you know it, you'll be cleaning your walls in no time. But while we get packing your shipment, there's a few important details that we'd like to share with you in this video. First, in your delivery box, you should receive a few things. Most importantly, your Clean Walls tool. To use your Clean Walls tool, simply extend your wand to get all those hard-to-reach places. A twist to the right will lock it in place, while a twist to the left will loosen it. When cleaning your walls, you will want to use only your yellow mitt, not the blue dusting mitt. Your yellow mitt is washable, so you can throw it in the washing machine and use it over and over again. Use our Healthier Home laundry detergent for best results. Now for your baseboards, use your blue mitts all around your house to clean. This includes your hard-to-reach places and the low baseboards. If you have any questions, just reach out to us at hello@healthierhomeproducts.com.